It's Michiel Klink. I work for Interstate Audio, and I'd like to introduce you to our own brand. It's called Newan. The nice thing about these products is they fit in the European size wall boxes. In every installation, this will be delivered, and our wall panels will fit inside this. All wall panels are connected with Dante protocol, so every Dante protocol can talk to each other. The nice one is we have 2 inputs, 2 outputs, and a Bluetooth version.
So it's for high quality audio?
High quality audio over Dante. This pin can connect to our DSP processors. These are over here. These are DSP processors.
So what do they do?
They process the sounds, and you can make all the different connections in between the inputs and the outputs, including a project controller with our wall touch. Our wall touch is available for Android, iOS, and Windows. We have nice wall panels as well, with all the different functionalities, and you can all program this freely using our software.
Nice.
Our software is drag and drop system, as in you can easily design your own projects. This is the wrong screen though. So you can just drag in your process, drag in your touchscreen,
Nice.
and start designing your own buttons.
How do you design the software?
The software comes with our manufacturer. This is based on an existing software package already, but we just develop on this more often and more further.
And all this stuff is different things you do?
This is all our Newan brand as well, usually the media players. A really popular one is the Newan MultiMate Pro. This is our internet radio with XLR out. This is uses Frontier Silicon, the internet protocol, so all over the world you can receive every station from every country, whatever you want. These are a bit older products as well, but still popular in our market.
So the company is many years doing this kind of technology?
Based in Netherlands. I think we already have more than 20 years of the technology, and we just keep developing more and more often and more further into pro audio.
And on the other side here is, what is this stuff?
These are older processors. This is the last series, but we noticed in our branch it's still popular. So it's a cheaper solution, it's fixed architecture, but the sound quality is really good. This is our amplifier series. And it's just basically an amplifier range from inputs and outputs, especially this one, because it has 16 channels.
And which would be the setups that would use this? Is it for studios, music studios? Is it for concert places, events?
Events, restaurants, bar, fitness centers, sporting halls, whatever you want.